So it's another Tuesday afternoon and I'm here today sa Robinsons Fuente to claim my free Jolly hot dog past Jollibee, to Jollibee. So let's get inside. Okay, so napoy free ng Jolly hot dog every Tuesday. This is from the Samsung membership nga application. So every day na sila yung mga deals and ang ilang current promotion is every Tuesday up until December 25 and I free Jolly hot dog. So I'm now lining para sa akong free hot dog.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Okay, so wala taglinya and I'm just waiting for my Jolly hot dog. And so now, tubig-tubig lang sa ta. So, today, Tuesday, nakalibre tag snacks worth 50 pesos courtesy of Samsung membership club. Samsung siya. So, try to download the app if you are a Samsung user and check out their daily promotions and benefits. And I think every Friday na I sell fries from McDonald's. So I'm gonna wait on Friday to get my fries. Okay, so that's it for now. Bye bye.